One of the most common questions I get, especially at an initial meeting with a client or a potential client, is how much is my case worth? And I usually tell them any lawyer who would give you a number at a first meeting regarding your case value is simply just not being straightforward with you, is not being honest with you. In order to evaluate a personal injury case, the evidence needs to be reviewed, the law needs to be reviewed, the locale of the case needs to be reviewed. That being said, what I usually tell a client is we're contingent fee attorneys, meaning we don't get paid unless you do. So if we're willing to take on your case, that means we think it has substantial value. And so what we're doing is we're giving you a valuation if it's a case that we're willing to take on. If it is, that means your case most likely has value because we're not taking cases to lose them. So again, lawyers who will give you a number at that initial meeting of how much your case is worth aren't necessarily being straightforward. The case has value in terms of medical expenses, both past and future, lost wages, both past and future, pain and suffering, disability or loss of a normal life, and disfigurement. When you can fill in those blanks on what those numbers are, it's easier to give a value, but usually that can't be done at an initial meeting.